Right now, there's a brand new content niche exploding on both YouTube and TikTok. Check out this channel. It's gained over 70,000 followers and is getting hundreds of thousands to even millions of views per video in a short period of time. The crazy part? Most people haven't even discovered this niche yet, which means there's still a huge opportunity for you to jump in early and ride the wave. This niche is the argument niche. And here's why it works so well. These videos are built around short, fast-paced arguments or conversations that grab attention instantly. They usually feature two popular characters, like Rick and Morty, going back and forth. One plays the role of the curious asker, while the other takes on the role of the explainer. Together, they break down wild conspiracy theories, shocking stories, or controversial ideas in a way that's entertaining, addictive, and super shareable. Now here's where it gets even better. Normally, creating videos like this would take hours. You'd have to write the script, record the voices, find or animate the characters, edit the video, and then sync everything together. But thanks to KORPI AI, you don't have to worry about any of that. This tool does all the heavy lifting for you, and it can generate a complete viral argument video in less than a minute. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, showing you exactly how to use KORPI AI to create these viral argument videos from start to finish. Make sure you watch until the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. Head over to KORPI using the link in the description. KORPI AI is one of the best tools right now for creating viral-ready content without needing any editing skills. It comes with built-in templates, AI-powered voiceovers, and pre-made formats that are perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. Once you sign up with your email and log in, you'll land on the homepage. Right away, you'll notice something powerful. KORPI AI actually shows you niches that are currently trending across TikTok and YouTube Shorts. This includes niches like fake text conversations, where you can generate fake but super engaging chat videos between two people. Twitter, or X Threads, turning viral tweets into eye-catching videos people love to share. Argument videos, which is the niche we're focusing on today. There are more niches too, but for this tutorial, we'll click on argument videos. Once you do, KORPI will bring you straight to the creation interface where the real magic happens. The first thing you'll notice is the option to import your own messages or argument. All you need to do is type one message per line in the format shown, then hit import, and your dialogue is instantly loaded. If you don't want to start from scratch, there's also a sample data option. With just one click, KORPI automatically generates a back-and-forth argument between the explainer and the asker, making it super quick to get started. You'll also find the Generate with AI option, which is where things get really exciting. Here you can browse through a list of templates, pick one that fits your style, and create a full argument conversation in just seconds. And if you'd rather design something completely original, you can type in a custom prompt describing the kind of debate or story you want, and the AI will instantly bring it to life. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the template. After selecting the one we want and clicking Generate, KORPI AI creates a complete argument conversation in just a few seconds. Ready for the next step. After generating the conversation, next click on Background Music. You can preview the available tracks and select the one that matches the tone you want. Something catchy and engaging always works best for short-form videos. Now it's time to choose your characters. Click on the default explainer, browse through the available options, and pick the one you prefer. Then do the same for the default asker. This part is fun because your choice of characters can really make your argument video stand out. Once that's set, click Next to move on to the background video. KORPI gives you access to a library of background video you can use. But here's an important tip. To make your content unique and avoid copyright issues, it's always better to import your own background footage. That way, your video doesn't look like everyone else's. When you're happy with your background, click Generate Video and KORPI AI will start creating your viral argument video. The process might take a little time, so just be patient. Once it's done, you'll be able to download the finished video directly to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
You know how everyone's obsessed with online multiplayer games like Fortnite and PUBG? Well, there's a dark side to that. Most of these games use invasive data collection to improve the gaming experience.
What do you mean by invasive data collection? They're just tracking my progress, right?
No, it's way more than that. They're collecting data on your browsing history, purchase records, even your social media activity. It's like they're building a digital dossier on you.
That sounds like a conspiracy theory. How are they doing this?
Through something called telemetry. It's like a spy in your computer, constantly sending back data to the gaming company's servers. They say it's for analytics and bug fixing, but really, it's just a way for them to profile you and sell you more stuff.
So, they're using this data to sell me more in-game items and loot boxes?
Exactly. They're using psychological manipulation to get you to spend more money. They know exactly which buttons to press to get you to buy that next skin or virtual currency. It's like they're exploiting your brain's reward system.
That's messed up. But what about the so-called anti-cheat software that comes with these games? Isn't that just there to prevent cheating?
That's just a smokescreen. Most anti-cheat software is just a Trojan horse for even more invasive data collection. They're scanning your system for suspicious activity, but really, they're just gathering intel on your entire digital life.
So, I'm basically letting these gaming companies spy on me just to play a game?
You're not just letting them spy on you, you're paying them to do it every time you buy a game or in-game item.
Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about pricing so you know which plan works best for you. With the Clippers plan at just $23 per month, you can generate up to 60 videos with plenty of features included. If you're just getting started, there's also the Hobby plan for $16 a month, which gives you up to 30 videos. And if you're serious about scaling, the Pro plan at $47 a month is the best value, letting you create up to 180 videos every month, which is more than enough to build a consistent posting strategy across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. So whether you're a beginner or you want to go all in, there's a plan that fits your needs. Now here's the best part. When you're ready to subscribe, use my special coupon code SAVVY, all in capital letters, and you'll instantly get 20% off any plan you choose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave them in the comment section.